Let's learn how to make a single crochet increase. First, insert the hook under both loops of the stitch and make one single crochet. Now, insert your hook into the same stitch again. We'll make another single crochet in the same stitch. That's it! You've just completed a single crochet increase. Repeat the process for the next stitch. You're doing awesome! Keep it up!